hang on, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 11 days till the wedding, which is 2 hours drive away, and we may have some trouble with transport if this carries on, because we've been forecasted. It's gone. Let's go and have a look outside. Your hat looks ridiculous. Oh my giddy aunt. How are they doing that? How are they not freezing?
Let's go to the park and see it.
Oh my god, no. Who's that down there screaming? Ah, don't throw it at me. No.
Yes. Snowball. Who wants to play a snowball fight? Me.
Oh my goodness. I don't think we're going to school tomorrow. I don't think we're going to Devon next week.
Would you like to go on the snow?
Oh god.
As a snow this much.
This is global warming in effect. No. Ow! This is late February. This raises concern about wedding travel. Ah! I'm going in for a nice cup of tea. Sophie! Soph, stop it! Stop it, man! I've got a camera. Oh, I'll get you in a minute. Oh. Yeah, this is causing concerns. We're now 2 days later, which means we are 9 days from wedding. There's a chance this might not happen. This is the state of it, but apparently in about 3 hours a massive blizzard's coming in, which will completely screw everything up. So yeah. Come on. I can't get them off. Go on, see the other one. Is it really snowy out there still?
Yes.
Of course it is. Don't know why else.
I can't because my legs are still.
Yeah, I'm just going to go and have a look. Did you win the snowball fight?
Probably. Probably later.
Apparently we are completely part of the blizzard now. Jesus. We've literally got a week for this to go away. It's getting even snowier. Oh, this is brutal. Huh? Oh, is she? Yeah, never mind. Act coy till she gets up here, then pelt her. Act normal till she gets up here. Alright? It's like a proper blizzard.
What's going on? I already had a giant snowball fight down there.
Oh, God. What's turning wilder?
Oh.
Arnie, are you tricking me? Are you tricking me?
Oh god, it's so cold. No, I've got a camera. I missed the moment of impact. You'll have to do that again. It's getting nasty now.
Be careful, I might fall on that.
British people in snow. Well, people down this part of the country in snow. It's like we've never seen it before. Careful, one, because this is normally a dog park. Oh, how pretty! It's quite up deep. Can you hear chickens? I think it's slaughtering chickens. Chickens. Remember that house over there? They stole your ball. Look, that nasty old manky house over there stole your ball and give it back. No, not in here, I've got camera. I'm coming out, I'm coming out, stop it! I'm coming out! Week off the iPad for that.
Sorry.
Seriously, I told you like twice. I mean that. Ridiculous.
Ha ha. My knees. Mom. Do I have knees?
Right?
Do I have knees?
She can't feel her knees anymore.
I can't feel my legs.
Alright, go on in. Go on in. Go in.
Go on, go in the house.
Oh, go on in, Mum. Go in. Okay, Dad.
Get the camera shot.
Get camera shot.
Camera.
Ow!
Hey! You're gone! You're gone! You're gone!
That's it!
I can't see! She fell over. Next day, rain fell overnight, and rather than thaw the snow, it turned the snow to ice. So yeah, it's not very pretty out there. Hang on. If I go around the corner, you can see Naomi trying to push Marnie on this thing. I'm struggling. Christ. This is brutal. There's sheet ice everywhere. It's mental, isn't it?
Guys, it's not slippery anymore, so we want a container to dip in and slide around.
Oh my god. No transport's running today. This has officially got 1 week to stop being like this. Literally just ice. Oh. Jesus. Next day. Had rain in the night, and just like that, it's over. So the wedding's back on.